As a proud Canadian company based in Manitoba, we felt it was our obligation to help in the fight against COVID-19. With a vast global supply chain located in 13 countries and comprising of 55 production facilities that produce quality apparel for our brands, we felt we could make a significant impact by shifting gears in order to produce personal protective equipment for our frontline workers. As soon as we were granted a medical device establishment license by Health Canada, we immediately went to work, putting the Mondetta Frontline Program into action. This translated into diligently learning all the Health Canada compliance requirements and working around the clock with our Asian office through video conference meetings. Through these collaborative efforts, we worked with one of our key partner factories, the largest woven shirt manufacturer worldwide, with over 31,000 employees, to retool their full vertical operation and entire production process to produce medical-grade scrubs alongside disposable and reusable gowns. Within this factory, raw cotton is blown, carded, and spun into yarn, which is woven to create fabric that is then cut and sewn into finished product and finally packed and shipped. Given the magnitude of the operations, we were able to scale production to 2 million units per month within only 27 days. Using our industry knowledge, trusted partnerships, and innovative approach, we were able to quickly and effectively procure much needed PPE while following stringent quality assurance standards and adhering to international labor and environmental compliance. With this globally coordinated effort, our frontline workers can rest assured they will be safe and protected as they lead the fight against COVID-19.